So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a nuke in Minecraft. All you're going to need is a ender crystal, and what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to run this command right here, /execute @e type equals ender crystal ~, summon ender crystal. And this is actually a very easy way to lag your game, and all you got to do is just hit it as many times as you like. And eventually you will get something that looks a little like this, and then if you hit it, you will go flying off like that because of the amount of explosions that are going off at once. So yeah, you are only able to do this if you do have commands on, but there is a different way you can actually do this. All you need is TNT minecarts. Oh shoot, didn't do it, but TNT minecart. Like that. And what you would do is you would take activator rails. I guess I can't spell today. You would take activator rails, you would put a whole bunch of minecarts with TNT in them like this, and then you would just like light it up and then it would explode or whatever. So you could pretty much make the exact thing with minecarts with TNT. So yeah, that is how you do that with commands.